Welcome to NS Astrology Institute. Vedic Astrology, KP Astrology, Bhrigu Nandi Nadi Astrology, Numerology and Vastu Astrology. In this Part 5 Predictive Astrology video, we have said that the rules explained in Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3 videos are very important rules. So now let's take an example of a horoscope and learn in detail. Whatever horoscope is taken, the main thing to observe is whether the planets Jupiter and Saturn along with the Lord of the Ascendant are strong or weak. If these three planets are strong, it can be said that their life will be very good. Those who have these three planets strong will have good family life along with earning money. It can also be said that they will have a long life. Here is a female horoscope. The ascendant falls in Capricorn. So first we need to see whether Saturn, the lord of Capricorn, is strong or not. If the ascendant lord is strong in anyone's horoscope, then we can understand that their horoscope is good. In the horoscope taken here, for example, Saturn is in the 7th house in Cancer. Naturally, if Saturn is associated with the 7th house, it can be said that marriage will take place after 27 years. Here Lagna Lord Saturn, who is placed in 7th house of Cancer sign at its own star of Pusha. That is, the Lord of the Ascendant, Saturn, is very strong in the 7th house. It has positional status due to being in its own star. Similarly, Saturn has got directional strength of 7th house. Therefore, the Lord of the Ascendant, Saturn, is very strong. When it comes to Jupiter, it becomes the Lord of the 3rd and 12th houses, who is placed in own house of Pisces sign at Mercury star. So, Jupiter is strong in Mercury's houses of 6 and 9. Also it has become strong significator of 10th house. Because Mercury placed in 10th house. Similarly, Jupiter is aspecting the ascendant Lord Saturn as 5th aspect. Here, since Jupiter is in relation with the ascendant Lord Saturn, it can be understood that Jupiter has got 25% directional strength of 1st house. Because Jupiter has directional strength in the 1st house. Here, Jupiter has become strong significator of the 10th house through Mercury. Also, Jupiter and Saturn are in 5/9's combination with each other. This is a very good combination in Nadi astrology. Therefore, it can be understood that Jupiter and Saturn are very strong in this horoscope. In this horoscope, Jupiter and Saturn are very strong, so this native will have all the facilities. Native will also lead a happy family life. Also, the strong combination of Jupiter and Saturn will give a long life. Another important key point here is that marriage will be delayed due to Saturn being a strong significator of the 7th house. Because Saturn in the 7th house is responsible for delaying marriage. In this method, we can see whether each planet is strong or weak. If 5 out of the 9 planets in the horoscope are strong and also have directional strength, then we can understand that native horoscope is very, very good. There are many more rules in predictive astrology. So let's learn about predictive rules in detail in another important video. If you like this video, you can click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you.